Floppy Image Studio starts with a temporary basket of MIDI and karaoke files. Open Organized Library, then select the files you want to place on one or more floppy disk images. This view is read-only. Adding files to the basket does not move, rename, or delete anything in your organized library. When the selection is ready, choose Add Selected to Disk Image Basket. The status line confirms how many files were processed. In this example, 10 files were added successfully, and the active basket now contains 10 items. You can also add suitable files from Review Queue. Use Add Selected to Floppy Basket. Here, the confirmation shows that 4 more items were added. Open Disk Image Creator to review the combined basket. The source column still shows where each item came from, such as Organized Library or Review Queue. The basket is only a working list. Your original MIDI files remain untouched. In the next video, we will pack these items across numbered IMG disk images.